Hello again. So, let me draw the box. Box for the present. Okay. And what are we going to do in this video? Well, over there, remember, is the past. The past. But now we're going to talk about the future over here. Okay? So, the future. Okay? So, I am tired. He is, they are maybe sick. Sick and sleepy. Are you sleepy? No, you're not sleepy. So, those are words in the present. How do we move them into the future? Remember from the last video, in the past, the words are was and were. Okay? Was and were for the past. If we go into the past, but we're going into the future. The future. Like the time machine. So, which word do we use? Will. Yeah, will. That is the future word. Okay? So, I will write, or I will watch, or I will go home after school. Always, always will. After school. Will in the future. I will go home. He will be sick. He will be sick. He will feel bad. So, after will is the verb. He will feel bad after eating the chocolate. After eating a lot of chocolate. A lot of chocolate. Okay? So, he will feel bad. Will watch. Okay? So, always, always, we use will for the future. And how about questions? Okay? So, remember the 5 W's. The 5 W's. Let me put them here. The 5 W's. 5 W questions. Like, what? Okay. So, what will you eat for lunch? I will eat a salad with chicken. Oh, chicken. Oh, who is the other one? Who? Who will go to school tomorrow? Who will go to school tomorrow? So, always after will, we have the verb go. Okay? So, ¿quién irá? Yeah. Who will go to school tomorrow? ¿Quién irá al cole? Algo así. But we shouldn't use too much Spanish, okay? Who will go to school tomorrow? So why? Yeah. Why will will you miss or be late? Why will you miss school tomorrow? Miss school tomorrow. Why? Okay. And the other ones, where and when. Yeah, when will you finish? Who will? So when will you finish your homework? Homework. And where will you visit tomorrow? Okay, so maybe this is a trick. Where will you visit tomorrow? So with some of these, what will you eat? The verb comes after you. Like, what will you eat? I will eat, because the question is reversed. What will you eat instead of I will eat? I will eat. And then we have will, and we have the verb. I will eat a piece of cheese. Piece of cheese. Okay. Ooh. I don't know why it's an exclamation mark. Why you're so excited. I'll turn it over here. I will eat a piece of cheese. So, there you have it. We have the 5 W's. What? So, what will you do tomorrow? What will you eat? What will you watch on TV after school? What will your next class be? What will your next class be? Yeah. And who? So remember, after who is when it's normal. So who will go? Who will sleep? Who will eat ice cream today? Oh, maybe everyone. Or who will eat chocolate today? Who will take the bus home? Beep, beep, the bus. Why? So, why will you miss school? Why will your parents talk to the teacher? Or stuff like that, yeah. Why will it snow tomorrow? Maybe it's cold and there's a lot of strange weather. Yeah. Or why will you get an A on the test? Maybe you will study a lot. That's why. Why will you get an A? Because you will study a lot. That's why. Where will you visit tomorrow? So you have some plans. You're going to visit a place. I will visit Alcobendas, or I will visit a different city. I will visit I'll. I will. There's the contraction. I'll, will, she'll. So we can make contractions. He'll visit London. He'll visit New York next year. Predictions. So, will. And the final one, when. So when will you finish? When will you read your textbook? When will you study? All those questions. So, for homework, try to make up some questions and answer them. I will, he will, Pedro will, and make some predictions. What will they do? So instead of the different verbs, caminaré, we just say will. I will, he will, she will. Okay, great stuff. See you next time. Goodbye. 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 Hello.